Hey, what's up everybody? So I just got a new item from Fronius. That's the welders that I use. I love their stuff. So what I got here is a wireless pedal. So I'm pretty excited about this. They've got right after I bought these machines, they released a wireless pedal and actually like a Bluetooth welding hood. So instead of like the lens detecting you starting to arc and the helmet darkens, it's actually communicating with the welder, so it knows exactly how much amperage when you initiate the arc and everything else. I don't have one of those, but the Bluetooth pedal seemed pretty cool. I've got two machines and I only have one pedal. My corded pedal I pretty much leave at my welding spot over here. So if I got to take the welder around the shop or something, it's just one less cord to drag around. So this just came in today, so I figure I'll unbox it and show it to you all. See, Fronius is based out of Austria. So they've been making like battery chargers and welders for a long time. I think 1915, 1920, some shit like that, a long time ago. And actually a lot of their welders are using like automation and like what you'd see in like a vehicle manufacturer, like the robotic arms and stuff. So they make a lot of products. This is their Bluetooth pedal. So it looks identical to my corded pedal, and that's where the cord would come out. So we're gonna hook this up and see how easy it is and so on and so forth. So I just turned the switch on and saw the red light illuminate. So let me go over here on this welder, and I haven't read the directions, so bear with me. I think it's probably gonna be pretty self-explanatory. All right, so hit the menu button. And I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna guess it's right here. Network, let's try it. Okay, yeah. Set up Bluetooth device. I'm gonna guess that that's it. Let me see. Okay, so it already sees it. You really want to have pairing RC pedal with this? Yes. Okay, so it even tells me the battery percentage of the pedal right there, so that's pretty cool. These machines do so much stuff, my knowledge of it doesn't even really scratch the surface. You know, every time I go in here, I'm learning something new. So let me see, let's see if it's, yeah. So, pretty cool. So their pedal's like really heavy duty. It's got this hook on there which you can grab with your foot, which works out really well. It's pretty sensitive compared to like a Miller. So it takes a little bit of getting used to. That's what I use all the time, so I'm pretty accustomed to it. I thought this was pretty cool. This was about just under 500 bucks. So now I got a pedal for each machine, and you know, like I said, this will work out good if I have to go take this over to a car. You've already got to plug it in, you've already got your torch, your ground cable. So I have an extra ground lead. The ground lead I just leave over at my table and just take my other ground lead. And now I can take the pedal and just move this around wherever I want to, and just one less cord to deal with. So pretty cool. I just thought it was a pretty cool idea. So we just came in today, so I figured I'd show y'all. This is a Magic Wave 230i. I've got the water cool option on it. If you have any questions about it, you can drop them in the comments or whatever. These are becoming more and more popular. Not as well known as like Miller or something like that, but I have zero complaints out of this machine. I've used not every brand welder, but you know, a lot of them, and this is my favorite. I have no complaints over it. So pretty cool. Just figured I'd share this with you guys. So see you later.